Welcome to Fact X Nova, where the future unfolds. Today, we're not talking about CGI or magic tricks. We're diving into a technology that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is very real and potentially revolutionary: quantum stealth. This is not just any technology, it's about becoming invisible. The quantum leap into invisibility. Quantum stealth, a term that sounds like it's borrowed from Star Trek, is actually a groundbreaking material developed by hyper-stealth biotechnology. It's a light-bending material that can make objects, yes, even people, seemingly vanish. Think about it. Tanks, soldiers, and equipment turning invisible right before your eyes. How does it work? Developed by hyper-stealth biotechnology, quantum. Stealth is a material that seems straight out of a sci-fi novel. It bends light around objects, rendering them invisible. And no, this isn't just a trick of the light. It works without cameras, batteries, lights, or mirrors. It's lightweight, inexpensive, and has been acknowledged by both the US and Canadian military for its effectiveness against infrared and thermal optics. Imagine a material that can make a tank disappear from sight and from thermal detection. Military might and beyond. Both the US and Canadian military have shown interest, and why wouldn't they? Imagine the strategic advantage in warfare. But let's not limit our imagination just to the military. Think wildlife conservation or even personal privacy. Every coin has two sides, though. While quantum stealth could revolutionize stealth technology, it raises questions about surveillance, privacy, and the ethics of invisibility in warfare. Plus, the practicality of mass production and its effectiveness in different environments remain to be seen. International race and skepticism. Now let's talk about China. They've been pushing the envelope in quantum technology, investing over $15 billion in research and development. They're not just leading in quantum patents, but are also experimenting with quantum communication and encryption. There's even talk of quantum radar that could potentially detect stealth objects, though this is met with some skepticism in the scientific community. The race in quantum technology is not just about invisibility cloaks. It's a whole new frontier in military and communication tech. Applications and implications. Beyond the cool factor, quantum stealth could revolutionize military operations, but its potential doesn't end there. Think about wildlife conservation. Imagine being able to study animals without human interference. Or what about personal privacy? The applications are vast, but so are the ethical questions. What happens when anyone can become invisible? The implications for surveillance, law enforcement, and personal freedom are massive. The invisible future, quantum stealth technology, is like opening Pandora's box. It's not just about hiding things, it's about the unseen ramifications it brings to our world. As we stand on the brink of making the invisible visible, we have to ask ourselves, are we ready for what we can't see? So, what's next? Are we stepping into a world where invisibility is the new norm, or is it just a tantalizing illusion? The future of quantum stealth remains shrouded, pun intended, in mystery. Stay tuned to Fact X Nova for more updates on this fascinating journey from fiction to reality. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Fact X Nova. If you're intrigued by this blend of science and the seemingly impossible, hit like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are we ready for a world where seeing is not believing?